Hello, everyone. It is my pleasure to introduce our work here. Class incremental learning aims to enable models to continuously learn new classes while overcoming catastrophic forgetting. The introduction of pre-trained models has brought new tuning paradigms to class incremental learning. As shown in the figure, we observe that adapter tuning is a better continual learner than prompt tuning and SSF tuning. Adapter tuning effectively balances learning new classes and maintaining performance in old classes. A number of methods have been devoted to alleviating catastrophic forgetting. The existing traditional CIL methods can be mainly divided into replay-based, regularization-based, isolation-based methods, and model expansion-based. Due to the powerful representation capabilities of pre-trained models, class incremental learning methods based on pre-trained models achieve significant performance improvements. It can be divided into prompt-based, adapter-based, and fully trained-based. Current research is primarily focused on the prompt-based methods. Typically, these approaches require the construction of a pool of task-specific prompts during the training phase, which increases storage overhead. Additionally, selecting prompts during the testing stage incurs additional computational costs. CIL methods with a pre-trained model typically fixes the pre-trained model to retain the generalizability and adds a few additional training parameters, which is referred to as parameter-efficient tuning. In this paper, we propose incrementally tuning the shared adapter without imposing parameter update constraints, enhancing the learning capacity of the backbone. Additionally, we employ feature sampling from stored prototypes to retrain a unified classifier. Unlike previous methods that use feature distillation loss to restrict changes in shared parameters as part of overall loss, we analyze that tuning with constraints hinders continual learning from the perspective of parameter sensitivity. Therefore, we train the adapter and task-specific classifier without parameter regularization in each session, allowing for greater plasticity in learning new classes. As shown in the figure, the sensitivity values of tuning parameters for two different sessions are nearly equal. Constraining the parameter update would hinder the learning of new classes and further impede the ability of the model for continual learning. Retraining the classifier with the previous prototypes is suboptimal. Since the feature representability of the backbone updates over time, using outdated features may not effectively. To solve this problem, we update the feature distribution of old classes by computing the semantic shift over the learning process. Then, we form a normal distribution for each class with class prototype and variants. We sample features from the distribution to obtain diverse samples to retrain the classification layers. We evaluate our method on 4 commonly used CIL benchmarks and 1 cross-domain CIL dataset. We randomly split the dataset into 10 or 20 learning tasks. Experimental results on 5 CIL benchmarks validate the effectiveness of our approach, achieving state-of-the-art performance. Furthermore, we evaluate the performance of each method under the condition of long sequences. As shown in the upper left table, our method also maintains excellent performance. We also conduct evaluations by comparing our approach to SOTA traditional CIL methods shown in the upper right table. As shown in the lower left table, by continuously fine-tuning the adapter, the backbone exhibits stronger representability compared to only tuning in the first session. The performance differences among adapter structures are minimal in the context of CIL shown in lower right table. From the upper table, it can be observed that the pre-trained model with an adapter achieves the best performance in terms of both the last session accuracy and average accuracy. From the lower table, it can be observed that retraining the classifier with semantic shift estimation enhances the CIL performance. In conclusion, we propose that incrementally tuning the shared adapter and local classifier without constraints in this paper. Moreover, to train a unified classifier, we calculate the semantic shift of old prototypes and retrain the classifier using updated prototypes in each session, which improves the CIL performance. Future work will focus on improving the semantic shift estimation process and further improving the adapter tuning performance in the CIL. Besides that, we would verify our methods in more different CIL settings. Thanks for watching.